Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to use V0 with shadcn.ui components. Many websites built with it look clean but end up looking the same because they rely on default components and themes. Unlike MUI, shadcn UI isn't just a component library, it's a framework to help you build your own design system. Components are simple, accessible, and built on Radix UI primitives, making customization easy. You can update global styles like border radius, colors, shadows, and typography in your globals, CSS file or theme configuration, and override individual component variants directly in the source code. Tools like TweakCN make full theme customization even easier, allowing you to adjust rounding, fonts, shadows, and spacing. By editing components and themes properly, you can create unique designs while keeping shadcn UI's clean, accessible fundamentals. Sites like Marshall Code, Zero, and cal.com use shadcn UI effectively, showing its flexibility. With a bit of customization, you can avoid generic, cookie-cutter designs and build truly personalized interfaces. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.